What's up everyone, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the oil on your supercharger in your XJR6. So let's get to it. The XJR6 is engineered for high performance, powered by a 4.0 liter inline 6 engine and that Eaton M90 supercharger. This combination makes it a beast on the road. Now, some engineers will tell you that the oil in these superchargers is good for the lifetime of the unit, but let's be real. Over time, the oil gets dirty and worn out, and that could cause some serious damage to your supercharger. It's important to replace the oil regularly. I recommend doing it once a year just to be safe. Now, these superchargers don't have an oil drain plug, so you'll have to remove the oil from the fill hole using a syringe. Remove the fill hole plug using a 3/16 hex socket. While you're removing the oil, make sure you're measuring the amount you're taking out to ensure you refill it with the same amount. Once that old oil is out, it's time to refill it with some fresh supercharger oil. And there you have it, you guys. Changing the supercharger oil is straightforward, and by doing it yourself, you're saving money and also getting a deeper understanding on your Jaag. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.